Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that can someone see if I unlike their videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, can someone see if I unlike their videos? When you liked someone's video, he or she will get their notification in the inbox and in the activity section. But if you unlike someone's video, like I'm going to unlike my own video like this, you have to unlike video. That person will get notification, but that notification will be removed quickly. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.